Another day, another story. Hey friends, welcome back to my channel Europa Facts, where we explore some of the most fascinating origins behind things we love. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button to join our community of curious minds. Alright, let's dig into 5 juicy facts about where some of your favorite American foods actually came from. You might be surprised by the winding journeys that brought these iconic dishes to your plate. Fact number 1, hamburgers. The popular beef patty sandwich known as the hamburger has disputed origins. But many food historians trace the very first hamburger back to the 19th century in Hamburg, Germany. In the port city, beef was minced and combined with garlic, salt, and pepper to make the early hamburger steak. German immigrants later brought recipes for the Hamburg-style beef to America in the 1800s. At the 1904 St. Louis World's Fair, the hamburger was introduced on a bun and became a major American food trend. The precise origins of adding cheese, lettuce, tomato, bacon, and other toppings came later, to create the classic American burger we know and love today. Fact number 2, hot dogs. Hot dogs actually have roots in Germany too. In the late 1800s, German immigrants brought recipes for Frankfurters and Wieners, names for sausages made in Frankfurt and Vienna using a mix of beef, pork, and spices stuffed into a casing. When these German sausages made it to America, they were popularized by hot dog vendors in baseball parks, amusement parks like Coney Island, and street carts in New York. The name hot dog became common in the early 1900s, and may have come from jokes that people ate dog meat from the carts. The hot dog bun was introduced shortly after. So while the name is American, hot dogs descended from Old World sausage recipes. Fact number 3, pizza. While Italy is well known for its delicious pizza today, this cheesy flatbread actually has much older origins. In ancient Greece, a flatbread was baked using flour, olive oil, herbs, and honey. The ancient Romans developed placenta, a sheet-like bread baked with toppings like cheese, onions, herbs, and olives. Pizza started to resemble its modern look in 1889 when tomato sauce was added as a topping in Naples, Italy. Immigrants later brought pizza recipes from Naples to American cities like New York and Chicago in the early 1900s. Fun fact, the first American pizzeria was Lombardi's in New York in 1905. Pizza became mainstream after soldiers stationed in Italy during World War II came home craving it. Fact number 4, apple pie. Apple pie is often thought of as quintessentially American, but it actually originated in England. The earliest known apple pie recipe dates back to 1381 in England. Early recipes used meat and fruit combinations inside a pastry crust called a coffin, and didn't resemble modern apple pie until the 1500s. English settlers and colonists brought apple pie to America, where it was especially popular in New England since apples grew well in the cooler climate. Libby's pumpkin pie made it the Thanksgiving pie in the 1950s. The saying, as American as apple pie, emerged because of how beloved and widespread apple pies became in the US compared to England. Fact number 5, chocolate chip cookies. Chocolate chip cookies are an iconically American treat, but all thanks to one woman, Ruth Wakefield. In 1930, Ruth owned the Toll House Inn in Whitman, Massachusetts. The story goes that she was making chocolate cookies one day but ran out of baker's chocolate. So she broke up a Nestlé's chocolate bar into bits. She expected the chocolate to melt into the cookies, but the bits held their shape, thus creating the chocolate chip. Ruth struck a deal with Nestlé to print the Toll House cookie recipe on their chocolate bar packaging, making it a nationwide sensation. So this happy baking accident resulted in one of America's most beloved cookies. Well, those are 5 eye-opening facts about some quintessential American foods. What surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video if you learned something new, and smash that subscribe button to get all my latest tasty content. I'll see you next time for more delicious knowledge on Europa Facts. Thanks for watching.